The year 2023 is considered a golden year for Lexus, the luxury car brand from Japan. Because in just a few days, Lexus has launched 3 models to the global automotive market. Starting with the new Lexus LBX 2024, a small SUV, 1.5-litre hybrid power, the same basis as the Yaris Cross. Including the all-new Lexus GX 2024, a new luxury SUV with a 349 horsepower, 3.4-litre twin-turbo V6. On the same day that the GX was unveiled, Lexus also launched a new luxury SUV called all-new Lexus TX, came out at the same time. The all-new Lexus TX 2024 is a 3-row SUV built on the same GAK platform as the Toyota Grand Highlander, mid-size SUV available in the US. The design features a design language called Unified Spindle that focuses on aerodynamic efficiency. As for the front grille, it still comes in the spindle grille shape that is unique to every Lexus brand. Sleek design LED and slashing lines of DRL at the end bent like a hook. Personally, the front bumper comes with black air intakes on the sides. It comes with the set of round fog lights in a black frame. While the side of the car comes in a floating roof style, comes with a spacious greenhouse, the rear roof is designed to be slightly sloping to add a sportier look, while alloy wheels will be available in sizes 20 or 22 inches. The rear will be another point that is clearly different from the Grand Highlander, with the LED tail lights coming in a line that runs across the width of the body. It also has the Lexus brand name badge above the rear light set. In terms of dimensions, the TX is 5159 mm long, 1989 mm wide, 1781 mm tall, and has a wheelbase of 2949 mm. The interior of the Lexus TX will be designed with a minimalist sample yet elegant and high-tech look. The dashboard will come with a 12.3-inch digital instrument located behind the multifunction steering wheel that comes with a heating system. Moving towards the center is a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment display that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless connectivity, as well as a monitored HUD, also the front windshield. The front seats come with a heated system and ventilation. As for the second row seats, you can choose between a separate seat or a captain seat to become a 6-seater. You can also choose to install a console between the second row seats for drinks or luggage. In terms of luggage space, the rear trunk has a capacity of 569 liters. When the third row seats are folded down, this increases to 1625 liters. But when the second row and third row seats are folded down, it increases a lot of space, D2747 liters. For the powertrain of the Lexus TX, there are 3 options to choose from. The entry-level model will come with a turbocharged 2.4-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, producing 275 horsepower and 429 Nm of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission paired with all-wheel drive. While those who want more fun can upgrade to the TX 500H F Sport Performance will be equipped with a 2.4-litre turbocharged Hybrid Max 4-cylinder petrol engine with a total power of 366 horsepower and 554 Nm of torque. Direct 4 AWD wheels and culminating with the TX 550H Plus plug-in hybrid model, which comes with a 3.5-litre V6 gasoline engine that works in combination with an electric motor, and continuously variable eCVT automatic transmission, giving a maximum power of 406 horsepower, can run electric 53 km with a fuel economy rate of 12.7 km per litre. For the Lexus TX, there will be 4 submodels to choose from: Standard, Premium, Luxury and F Sport Performance, with the delivery of the car starting in September, starting with the TX 350 and 500H. The TX 500H Plus will be available later this year. There will be a main sale in the United States. As for the expected price, it will be announced again during the showroom date.